lock off of the door, 'cause I don't live there anymore. I felt the wind upon my skin and let the open sky come in. The heavy world is far below,